So this morning I woke up, so not in the mood to do anything in the kitchen. Actually, I waste most of my morning before I prepare something to eat. So actually I do some creamy potato with string bean and baked chicken, having some red wine with my dinner. So this is actually my Sunday dinner. Once me I drink wine, I hope we can wake tomorrow morning for the people that work. So this is actually my din. Look at it. Was not in the mood to do anything today, so I said, why not do something light? Sometimes I'm just tired of eating rice, so I said let's just have something light today for dinner, and my kid says yes. So this is dinner, guys. Something light and some red wine.